Oh.
Hello and welcome to 3D Printer Build Along Part 20. Today I'm going to be assembling the X-axis belt holder and printhead bracket. The actual printhead part is coming along. I've got a couple of pieces of metal, in other words. So Dean will love that. Dean can't comment this time because Dean's filming. Right, now this is now nice little simple job. The bit that Dean put in before. It's actually got 4 holes in it. Now I only do these loose for the moment, purely so I can make sure they'll fit in. So, well, let's see what little job this up. The only thing with this one is because I'm going on to the linear bearing part, which slides incredibly easy, it can shuffle itself. I'll get that in a second. Still don't like this toolkit. I know David likes it. We should show it some respect, but I don't know. Right, now this piece, which is going to hold the belt that Dean will be doing in part 21, goes on in there. Now this I'm not going to do all the way up because Dean has to adjust it on his part. Voila! Printhead bracket, belt holder, job done.